Hello and welcome to Van Services. We are a commercial vehicle breaker based in Bristol. This is a Fiat Ducato 2.3 Euro 4 engine. This is how we supply our engines. With the turbo, the injectors. This is where you find the engine code, the simple way. F1AE0481D. We have always got Fiat Ducato parts in stock, so if you would like parts, tyres, wheels, basically anything, then call Van Services on 01179586464. Alternatively, go to our web shop and go www.vanservices.co.uk. Thank you for watching.